Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Matt's Finds, where it's the scrap metal art session. As you can see, we have a saw blade, a shovel, an old rotor. We have some old pieces of rebar. We got, we just got all kinds of different stuff today, guys. So let's slap something cool together. Okay guys, so far you can see I have a base formed with some feet. I have a head going on. Show you. Alright. Here in a few, when this all cools down, we're going to weld that together. And then add the saw blades. There's the scrap metal owl that I made out of that pile of scrap metal that you saw earlier. As you can see, it's got some deep eyebrows and his little beak and his eyes and his wings, and mounted it on like a little perch, and it's heavy duty, so it's not going to tip over, fall over or anything. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's scrap metal art, guys. So tune in till next time, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also check out my other videos on my channel where I go to auctions and yard sales and find cool objects and bring them home and show them to you guys. Have a great day, everybody.